Hi, everyone. This is Jim Gillis with Win My Vote, also with the National Student Mock Election. Today's video is a basic introduction to the platform Win My Vote. And this one is part one, how it acts as a level playing field, how we can get money out of elections. And I'll also touch on a couple of other basic features of the platform. So the way it works is that voters can sign up for free and they enter their zip code and they'll get their ballot. So today's video will just focus on how it functions for this race right here. We'll say that the Senate race, there's 5 candidates here. As a voter, I need to get to know each one of these candidates. So I can click on the candidate profile. I can read a little bit about them, see what party they're running under. If I want, I can share with my friends. I can watch videos, and I can also click here and read about on the issues, see their endorsements, and for the record. So I'm going to click on issues, and I can see here healthcare, and maybe I want to scroll down and learn a little bit more about that. And then I can also, comment on this issue or like it or not like it there. And I can also see all of the issues. So it kind of goes down like a Twitter feed. So I can see small business, and I want to learn a little bit about this senator's position on small business. So I can read through here, and now I want to go back up to the top and see what their COVID stance is. So I can click that and real quickly just read, write about each one of these issues. So that's great. I go back up here, and then maybe I want to learn about some of the endorsements. So here are all of the candidates' endorsements. These are the endorsements that the candidate is featuring. So one thing about Win My Vote is that the candidates build and manage their own profiles. Same way they would build and manage their Facebook page or their website or their Twitter account or Instagram or whatever it may be. They have full managing power over this profile as well. So these are all of the groups and organizations and individuals that they are featuring as endorsements. And I can click on those and I can watch videos, or I can see sort of a text version of the endorsement. But what I can also do is click here, which is just show me my trusted sources. So trusted sources are groups and organizations and individuals, excuse me, that I select. So it's the same way you would follow someone on Twitter. We have a library of trusted sources. You just scroll through there or search, and then you select each one that you want to see their endorsements and their favorites right on your ballot. So I can do that. And I can click here, and you can see that most of them are just friends and colleagues and people that I know. Some of them are the same here, but now I can kind of click right here, and I can see exactly what my friend Ethan Behrman here has to say, about this candidate. And then down here, and this is an example of just a text or a meme endorsement, so I can see that real quickly. And that's great. And now I can go back up here, and now I can check out the next candidate. And again, I can see information and have all of the same thing organized in the same way. So I can go through and compare issues and endorsements, and all that stuff. So here is how it starts acting as the level playing field. This is the Republican candidate and the Democrat candidate. They're both spending probably over $1 million running for the seat. And then MJ Smith here is Common Sense Party. I'm sure she's not spending hardly any money at all. But here I can just click right here and hear what she has to say, watch her video. And again, I can click here and start seeing where she stands on the issues. So this is great. I want to see where she stands on NAFTA and TPP, so I can read about that. And the other one I'm very interested in is Senate Bill 320, which is in Colorado, and it's hotly contested. So this is great that I can just click straight through and see exactly where she stands on that issue. So now I'm going to go back up top. I can also click through and see what the Common Sense Party is all about. So I can do that. And the way that I do that is, one, I can see their ballot, and these are all the candidates they're endorsing on their ballot, which is also my ballot. And I can, if I want, click straight through and see her profile, and I can favorite her and have full function with that profile, right through this page as well. I can also just favorite her right here on this page if I want, and then I can create an endorsement, and I can just do this real quickly and maybe even share her on social media and let my friends know that this is a candidate that I'm going to favorite or I'm going to back or that I'm just leaning towards. And then they can click and they can get their ballot, and maybe we can become each other's trusted sources, and we can do that. So here I can click again on the issues and see where this party stands on the issues. And then I can also just vote like us. Like if I'm really close to this party, or if I know the people that are involved in the party, and I respect them and we're like-minded, I may just vote just like they are. And that would include all of the questions or the propositions or everything that's on my ballot. So the way that it's specifically designed for voters is that this is all the information that I need here to make a well-informed vote. So as I'm going through my ballot here, let's say if I favorite all the candidates that I want, now I can check on important dates and see when early voting starts, and where it starts. I can do a variety of things. I can get my polling place, I can get a map, or I can get turn-by-turn directions to my polling place, and then it's also fully mobile so that I can just bring my favorites with me right into the poll. So that's kind of part one. We're going to try to break these up so that they're short videos. But if you have any questions, feel free to call or to email me at jim@winmyvote, or just reply here on LinkedIn. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.